Today we are here to share our happiness. We have been at Lulu's World Food Competition, so we had a lot of fun there. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Chef Ripadaman Handa and I want to invite you to Lulu's World Food Festival Challenge for women and kids.
Let's get started with the first round. So this is the video I sent to Lulu for the first round and I got selected. Want this prize winning recipe? Comment down below recipe needed and the video will be coming up. Let's get started with the second round. So when we reached there, the Arabic cuisine was going on, so let's have a look at that. It was almost going to get over. Now let's get started with the Indian cuisine. Mom was setting up the food for the competition. Because of coronavirus, they were taking protocols. After 10 minutes, only the contestants should be in. So we had to go out and shoot. This is the outside view. Actually, my sister was shooting the video. So right now the first contestant judging was going on. judge came closer, Mom started being tensed and started fidgeting with the things around her. So Mom's turn came and she was explaining her recipe. So if you want this prize winning recipe, comment down below and the video will be coming up. So after the judging, I had a chance to shoot all the contestants. So now Mom was going for a group photo with all the 10 contestants. So I think it's time we say bye-bye to round 2 and see you at round 3. My sister also took a small clip of little bakers, so have a look at that. So let's start the final third round. So Mom made a Lulu bottle art for this round. Voila, it's ready. Let's take a look at it. Also comment down below your thoughts on this bottle art. So like before, let's take a look at the final round of Arabic cuisine. So here's inside the kitchen for the last round. We were not allowed inside the kitchen, so we had to watch outside from this TV. So let's set up for the third round. Thanks for watching our video, and if you have any questions, comment down below in the comment box. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.